Hi Folkens, welcome to Discover with Friends travel vlog. I'm excited. I'm very excited because like the title already makes you know that I'm going to New York City. I'm so excited. I'm going to New York. Bro, you cannot be like, oh, she's so happy. You know, people who have lived their whole lives in the US and they have never been to New York City. And I'm gonna go to New York City. And what are you trying to tell me? I'm so excited. Like I leave in like 2 days, two days, and I'm gonna be packing soon. I haven't packed at all, like nothing at all. I'm gonna show you. I bought this beautiful suitcase from Walmart online. Let me show you. Let me show you that. Pause up. Like you see this? Like I got it for $99. Like let's say 100 after tax and everything, around $120, and I had to get entire 3 sets. Like look at this, let me show you what I got for $120. See how pretty the interior looks. Like damn people. So I'm gonna be packing, and I know some of you will be like, sorry for the noise in the background. I know some of you will be like, why are you packing so much? Well, most of my things are gonna be in this bag, but I'm taking this extra bag because I'm gonna be getting some stuff from New York and I don't want to buy a box or stuff like that. I want to have all my suitcase intact to be able to pack my stuff. So I'm gonna be putting my perfume and then those things that like, you know, can't be in the plane with you. I'm gonna put that in this second bag and have most of my clothes in that bag. That is why I have like, you know, stuff like that. So that wraps up the bag. Like please tell me, and the color, like oh my god, I'm so excited. Like I'm gonna enjoy this trip so much. I have a reason for going there, but I'm gonna be telling you that later. Yeah, so let's get right into the packing. So I'm tired already. I can't continue. That's enough packing for today because after I leave in 2 days, I can do the rest later. But let me show you. Come here. See, I'm almost done. I already have my stuff. Let's see, I'm almost done. See y'all. I'm done packing. So I'm just gonna close it and then put it back and then do the finish touch tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi folkens, welcome to day 2 of packing with me to New York. The reason why I'm doing two is because the day I was packing the first time, I didn't, but I had not done my laundry and I had a couple of things to do as well, and all of those stuff. So I'm done now. I'm traveling today. Yeah, it's actually like one of my first times packing the day I'm traveling. That's like weird, but that is it. So I'm traveling today. I'm gonna be finishing the packing and everything, and probably take some stuff out, and let's see how it goes. So like, let's pack together. Exhausted already. So I'm almost done packing. I had to take a break to go and go to the bank and then do some things. So I'm almost done. Like, I'm done. So when I close the bag and everything, I'll let you guys see. But it's like what I did, and see you guys on the journey or the travel vlog in another video or stuff like that. Thank you guys for packing with me to New York, and I'll see you guys in New York. Bye.